Uttar Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister Keshav Prasad Maurya faced opposition in his assembly constituency, Sirathu, when he went there to campaign. A video of this incident, which happened on Saturday, is becoming viral on social media. In the video, slogans are being raised against Maurya. Women are seen closing the doors. Meanwhile, Keshav Prasad Maurya is also seen asking people to keep quiet. The BJP has called it a propaganda of the opposition.
ये बना हुआ है ज़्यादा